two little wires, two little pipes. Maybe I have to add something. Yes, I just found, so it will be nice to have like a light inside the Tedford door when you want pull out the cassette in the night. Let's pretend so this is set enough. Łobudu. Good. Okay, so this and that. My nose is black, so here. Okay. how far is reality from the calculation. Okay, and right now I have to make some notes what I have to cut out. First of all, what I have to just a bit file this corner. Yeah, then I have to cut a bit, make a bit bigger hole for this hose, because it's, you see, it's quite stiff and I don't wanna he be on the edge, so I have to file hole inside this a bit. That's these two things. And again, oh, okay, going out. Take a look. This is, in this point is a hole where I make a pilot hole right now, and this is from I calculated, so means it's a, to tell the truth I have to check underneath if it's a problem or not, because on this area is quite tight. Okay, what I need a piece of color wire. Of course, this is this old hole, because this old hole is should go through. Yeah. Okay. And we know, so this is like a 15 mil. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. I think this 15 mil is not a problem. We can back to business.